Welcome, seekers of knowledge and lovers of the intricate dance of the universe. Today we delve into the realm of physics and more specifically, into the first law of motion as proposed by Sir Isaac Newton. Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia, is a fundamental concept in physics. It states that an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. Simply put, if nothing is pushing or pulling an object, it will stay where it is, or it will keep moving in a straight line at a constant speed. Picture a book resting on a table. Unless you, an external force, come along and pick it up, it will continue to rest there undisturbed. This is an example of an object at rest, staying at rest. Now imagine you're playing a game of football. You kick the ball, and it sails across the field. It continues in motion, heading straight and maintaining its speed until another player stops it, or the friction from the grass and air slows it down. This is an example of an object in motion staying in motion. Newton's first law of motion is fundamental to our understanding of how objects in our world behave. It's why seatbelts are so important. If a car suddenly stops, the people inside tend to keep moving forward due to their inertia. The seatbelt acts as that external force, stopping you from flying through the windshield. It's also why it's easier to keep going once you start pedaling your bike. Your body and the bike have inertia, and once you start moving, it's easier to keep moving. The friction between the bike tires and the road and the air resistance act as external forces slowing you down. So in essence, Newton's first law of motion, or the law of inertia, explains that an object will stay at rest or keep moving at a constant velocity in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force. It's a foundational principle of physics that helps us predict and understand the behavior of objects in our everyday lives. From the book on your table to the stars in the sky, Newton's first law of motion is at play, silently governing the mechanics of our universe.